In this video, I'm going to show you how I made more than 13,700 euros in 7 days with this faceless channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly the whole process basically, and what I've done to create this channel and how I make the videos and everything. With 2,100,000 views, I made more than 13,000 euros, which is an RPM of about 6 euros, 6 or 7 euros, which in dollars would be $8 or $9. And this is a news niche where basically, it's news about the war. Right now, the topic of US versus Iran is really trending, the US-Iran war. Basically, this channel did pretty well in these 7 days since the conflict escalated quite a bit. So I had a lot of views and I was able to monetize this channel pretty quickly because I monetized it a few weeks ago. The stats I'm showing you right now are from when I monetized the channel, which is about 9 days. Obviously, I had this channel for about 2 weeks, but I monetized it 9 days ago. And well, there's not much more to show here. Well, there you can see more or less the thumbnail style I'm using, and you can see more or less the format I'm using. All right, this is basically a channel I drew inspiration from. Although there are a lot of channels in this style, there are dozens of channels like this, and new ones are created every day. Because, well, this channel is also doing pretty well, just like mine. He's getting 700,000 views per video. Well, on this one, he got 240,000. He had a total of 2,500,000 views, which if you multiply it by an RPM of $8 or $9, well, this channel already made more than $26,000 literally in less than a month. I mean, in 3 weeks, he already made $21,000 or $25,000. It's absolutely insane, just so you can see that, yes, it is possible, that it's not that hard, and that it can perfectly be done. All right, so to help you, to give you the process much easier, I've created a document basically with everything you need to know to create this type of video. But first you have to know one really important thing, all right? If you want to start a channel like this. Since a lot of people don't, I mean this channel requires an avatar, right? So for that, you have to activate the altered content option, because if you don't, they're gonna delete the channel on you for spam. As you can see here, well, the owner of this channel is activating the altered or synthetic content function because he's using an AI avatar that looks realistic. Also, I'm not gonna explain here, I'm not gonna explain the altered and synthetic content policy in detail, but the only thing you have to know is that if you want to start a channel like this, you have to activate it, and that's it. Before uploading a video, an option is going to appear asking if your content is altered or synthetic, and basically you put yes, and that's it. All right, so the document you're going to have in the description of this video. All right, the first thing I already showed you, which was the reference channel, and I also showed you my channel. All right, because it doesn't make sense to talk here if I don't actually have a channel where I'm doing it. I mean, just so you can see that this isn't something I'm making up, that I'm applying it. And a lot of people, like the owner of this channel, are also applying it. All right, so the first thing you have to do is create the avatar, because if you don't create the avatar, you're not gonna be able to make this style of video. So for that, you're gonna go to this website, which basically what it's going to do is generate the face. It's going to generate the face of a person who doesn't exist. Basically, it creates faces of people who don't exist. Here in gender, you put what you want. You can put a girl or a guy, whatever you want. I'm going to put a girl between 35 and 50 years old, and well, here you put what you want, and here basically you create the image, basically. Well, you keep trying to create images and that's it. For example, I'm gonna download this one just to download quickly. I'm not gonna spend time choosing an image here. This is just so you see the tutorial quickly, what it's like, and that's it. So here you download the image and that's it. You just have to download this image, all right? Then what you're gonna do is go back to the document. You're gonna go to the document again, and there basically, I'm gonna give you a reference photo. In the document, you're gonna have a reference photo. The only thing you have to do is download this photo, all right? Then you're going to go to ChatGPT, and the only thing you have to do is upload 2 photos. The photo you just downloaded that was in the document, and you're also going to have to upload the photo of your avatar. Basically, you upload those 2 photos, and then you're going to copy this prompt. Well, wait, the photo of your avatar, don't upload it. I mean, just upload this photo, the one that was in the document, and you're going to put this prompt. Well, you send it, and that's it. Well, here you copy the prompt. All right, you copy the prompt. Then to the website that I also leave in the document, all right, you're going to have to go to this website. On this website, the only thing you're going to have to do is upload basically the image of your avatar. I mean, you're going to upload the image of your avatar, you're going to upload the image of your avatar, then you're going to go to, well, you're going to copy the prompt that ChatGPT had given you. You copy that prompt and you paste it here basically. So now you click generate and that's it. All right, here as you can see, it already generated my avatar with the background. Then if you don't like the background, you can remove it, no problem. So here, the only thing you do basically is download the image and that's it. You download the image. So now you already have the image of your avatar. Then, well, to remove the watermark from the photo, you're gonna go to this website and here, basically, you upload the image and basically the watermark is gonna be removed, all right? It's gonna be removed and you're not going to have that watermark anymore. So you download the photo without the watermark and that's it, nothing else. So now you already have the image of your avatar. So now you're gonna have to make the script. So to make the script, you're gonna go to this website, all right? This website is to transcribe a video. So for that, you're gonna go to, for example, this channel, the reference channel. You're gonna go to the most recent videos. For example, I'm gonna choose this video. For example, this video, whichever you want, you copy the link of the video, then you go to this website, you paste the link, and you transcribe the video. So now here, you're gonna have everything. So now you already have the video transcribed. Then you're gonna go to Claude. And here, basically, what you're gonna have to tell Claude, well, basically, you're gonna have to make 2 sections. First, you're gonna write title, you write title, and then you're gonna go to the transcription website, you transcribe the video, and you're gonna copy the title and paste it here. And then you're gonna write script. All right, you make a section for the script. Then you copy the script and you paste it here. And then you're going to go to the document and you're going to copy this prompt, which basically is to create our own script inspired by his script. Then here, well, you send the prompt and that's it. Here it's going to give you the title of the video and the script. So now you have 2 options, either generate the audio, basically the voiceover, you can generate it directly on 11 Labs or on another website or on Google Studio, wherever you want, or on different websites. Or you can generate it later on HeyGen, basically with the voice of your avatar. That's up to you to decide. If you want to generate the voice on HeyGen, or you have a voice already chosen or something. So the next step is the thumbnail. So for that, you're gonna have to go to this website, then you're going to go to the video that you just copied the link of. All right, so you copy the link and you're gonna paste it here. Basically, you paste the link here, and here you're gonna have basically a complete analysis of the channel. Well, here, this website basically analyzes everything. The description, the category of the video, the tags, how it's configured. Basically, it analyzes everything here. So the only thing you're going to have to do is download this thumbnail. All right, this thumbnail, you save the image, and that's it. You save the image. Then you're going to go here to the same website as before, and, well, basically you're going to upload the image you just downloaded, basically the thumbnail, and then you're going to upload the image of your avatar and the thumbnail you just downloaded. If you check the document, you're gonna copy this prompt and paste it here, and then you click generate, and that's it. The thumbnail is gonna start being generated, basically. All right, here as you can see, the thumbnail has been generated. Now you download it, and you can remove the watermark just like we did before, and that's it. All right, now you're going to go to HeyGen. Basically, you're going to go to HeyGen, and here you're going to create your avatar, basically. You're going to go here to avatars. Here you're going to click create avatar, and well, you're going to upload the photo of your avatar, and that's it. Nothing else. Then you're going to go here to this section. Here, you paste the script of your video, basically everything, and you select avatar 4. Because if you select avatar 5, it's going to consume a ton of credits. Then you select the voice you want, and that's it. And you make the video, you create the avatar, and you make the avatar talk, and that's it. Well, so what this channel does is put war clips and related clips in the background. So for that, you're going to go to this channel here where you're going to be able to find those war clips. All right, they're not going to have text animations on top or anything. They're clean clips that you can use. Plus, they're related to the topic of Iran and the United States and stuff. And from here, you can basically pull all the war clips. The only thing you have to do is download the video, and that's it. And you remember, well, you take this video, you download it, you put it as background, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. Then another thing this channel does is put an overlay. All right, well, he puts an overlay here, as you can see, like he's recording. Well, you search for the overlay there, and that's it. You put it on. And he also puts his logo and, well, his avatar on the right. I remove the background from the avatar, and that's it. As you can see, this is easy to put on. This is just to edit it a bit so it looks good, and that's it. I think there's no need for me to explain how to edit this because it's pretty easy. It's just removing the background from the avatar, putting it on the right, putting subtitles, putting this overlay, and downloading a video from the other channel and putting it as background. And if you want, optional, you can put the logo of your channel here. And well, that's basically how I made more than 13,700 euros in 7 days with this faceless channel. In this video, I just showed you basically the process I use to create the videos and a bit of the strategy I'm using, and basically the options you have to activate before uploading a video, and nothing else. Honestly, it is a bit of a risky niche. All right, maybe if you're really a beginner, I don't recommend that this be your first channel, but it's pretty good. You can try it, and that's it. It's a really, really profitable niche. I mean, the profitability is incredible. I mean, you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars with these types of channels. Imagine if you have 4 or 5. With this one, I made 13,700 euros in 7 days, but the other person, like I showed you before, made $30,000 in a month with just one channel. And he probably has 3 or 4 channels just like that, because there are a lot of people who are creating this type of channel. So with 3 channels like that, he'd already be making $100,000 a month. I mean, just so you can see, it's absolutely insane. And just so you can see that it is possible, that it's normal people who are achieving it, that it's not people from another world. I mean, just so you can see that it is possible.